Hello guys, welcome to INSECTECHS. I am Kiran Tirukovala and in this class we are going to learn about enumeration. So what is enumeration? Enumeration in the context of hacking and cybersecurity refers to the process of actively gathering information about the target system or network. It is a crucial step in the reconnaissance phase of cyber attack. The goal of enumeration is to identify as much information as possible about the target, such as open ports, running services, user accounts, shares and other system details. Come on guys, this is a paragraph that I am reading from somewhere on internet. So to say enumeration in simple words, as you can see in the slide, it is process of extracting informations like usernames, machine names, network resources, shares and system services that actually you conduct in an intranet environment, that is a local network or a corporate network. When it comes to scanning, you are trying to find out all the live system in a private network and open ports on those live systems and the services running on those open ports and also the version numbers of those softwares. But when it comes to enumeration, you are working on a local network or a private network and you are trying to get this information that you can see on the slide: usernames, machine names, network resources, shares and system services. So what type of information can you get from enumeration? It is usernames using email IDs, default passwords, SNMP enumeration, that is SNMP information. You will brute force Active Directory. You will try to get groups information and also DNS zone transfers, NetBIOS, LDAP, NTP and some other information like DNS. So based on the target type and information that you are expecting, there are techniques for enumeration like SNMP enumeration, NetBIOS enumeration, LDAP enumeration, SMTP enumeration, user enumeration and so on. So SNMP enumeration, simple network management protocol, it involves querying your network devices. Network devices means devices on a private network for information about their configurations, connected devices and more. Basically, you will also try to look insights of a network infrastructure. Okay. In user enumeration, attackers will try to enumerate user accounts on the systems or try to get nothing but guess usernames by exploiting the vulnerabilities to extract user related information. Also share information, like on network devices, attackers will look for shared resources like network file shares, printers, directories that are shared to gain unauthorized access on them. SMB enumeration, server message block SMB enumeration, involves identifying open SMB shares on a network. SMB is a network protocol used for sharing files, printers and other resources. So you can gain or you will try to gain access to SMB share. Thereby you will try to get unauthorized access to sensitive data. NetBIOS enumeration. So network basic input output system is full form of NetBIOS. It is a technique to gather information about connected devices and services running on a network by querying the NetBIOS. So NetBIOS is basically applied in older network. It's an older protocol that was actually widely used on Windows based environments. Next, LDAP enumeration. The full form is Lightweight Directory Access Protocol, LDAP. It is a technique used in a network environment for a network reconnaissance and a security assessment, where you will try to gather LDAP directories or servers. LDAP is a protocol used for accessing and managing a directory information such as users and group information within a centralized directory service, which you call as LDAP server or LDAP directory. So here you will perform LDAP queries, means you will query the LDAP server to retrieve the directory information, which actually contains various types of information like user accounts information, group information, organization structure, that is OUs, organizational units, service information and so on. Now SMTP enumeration. SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. It is a protocol used for sending and receiving email messages. So SMTP enumeration is a technique used in private environment in organization to find out the organization's email infrastructure, particularly its email addresses, email servers, querying the SMTP protocol to get information about email infrastructure. Here we will try to identify the valid email addresses associated with that particular domain or organization, and attackers or security professionals will use this technique to collect email addresses for purpose of phishing, social engineering and so on. As a penetration tester, we will perform SMTP enumeration by sending SMTP commands. So that's it in this class guys. From here onwards we will try to run so many tools and techniques to find out live systems, open ports, service versions SMTP enumeration, NetBIOS enumeration, LDAP enumeration, SMTP enumerations, and so on. It means that we will learn so many tools and techniques that are associated with scanning lessons and enumeration lessons. Have a great day, guys. Thank you for watching the video and do subscribe to the YouTube channel INSECTECHS.